Hey guys, so I got a box in the mail today from a very sweet lady. Okay, so Veronica sent me some ribbons. She said they were overstock at her flower shop, so I'm going to unbox them with you guys. I already opened the box. Of course I can see what's on top, but I haven't looked through it yet. So I did notice that there was some royal blue McGinley Mills acetate, so I was very excited about that. And you know, this will get used. I always get royal blue mum orders every year, so, and this is the 1.5. Very excited about this. Thank you, Veronica. It is some lion acetate. It should be acetate, yes. And again, this is royal. This should be the 9/16. I don't think they make lion anymore, but I have used lion before. It's been a few years since I've had any, but a place that I worked at, we had some lion ribbon too. And it matches. It looks like it matches perfectly. I know with the burgundy, I had it in burgundy, but it was a different burgundy than what McGinley Mills had. So that's wonderful. Thank you, Veronica. Let's see. Now these are sealed up. It says polyester. I don't know what size or, oh, it's a little bit open. I don't want to open all of them. I don't know where I'm going to put everything yet. Oh, it's just like a gold meshy kind of ribbon. That's pretty. That'll make some pretty accent bows. Thank you, Veronica. I guess I'm going to say thank you, Veronica, after everything. Okay, here's a pink. I don't know what brand that is. It's got a really unique feel to it, but that looks like it would make pretty accent bows too. And then here's some iridescent. And it's like a deco mesh, but it's going to be about an inch, about the same as this. Well, those are unique for sure. Oh, here's a silver. So I think that's just like that gold one. So again, those will make really pretty accent bows. Oh, here's a red. And another red. And another silver. So if you just, like I'm talking about, just a simple little bows like that, really easy, and that'll be great on mums. You can kind of be seen in the background. Oh, here's some more lion and the royal blue. This again is the 1 5/16, or like the 1.3, the number 9, which most of them will say. Let's see if these do too. Like, yeah, like see, it says number 3 next to it, and this one says number 9. So they too put the numbers on there if you're curious about that. But you can see those match up almost perfect. I think this is a little bit more vivid. And those just might be faded too. I mean, that may be darker on the inside. I don't know. There's another pink. Another royal. And that 9/16 inch. I love using these for braids. Military braids, all kinds of braids. There's that pink and a blue. And this is similar to that pink. And this is like a light blue with a white trim. I've never seen ribbons like this and this kind of spool. But it looks like a sheer, and it almost looks like a lace trim. See another lion. Maybe another purple. I mean, blue, not purple. And it does say 100% acetate and it's royal. Those will get used for sure. Definitely. Here's another iridescent. Same kind of ribbons as these, but a different size. Here's a deco mesh. I think that's a deco mesh. It's got the sparkle in it. It looks like it's about 2 inches. No, 3 inches. 3 inches wide. Is that kind of a cream color? I think it's kind of a cream color. There's another gold. And a red. It looks like those are different sizes. I need my reading glasses. I'm pretty sure those are, like this looks like 7/8 and this looks like more like an inch, a little over an inch. Another red in the bigger one. Yeah, this is some more deco mesh. This is like iridescent and then gold trim. The place that I worked at, again, we had deco mesh in all different sizes too, and I'd use that a lot on wreaths. For bows, or you know, if you just make bows too, you can use this kind of stuff. Either just make a full bow out of different layers, or you can use this, make a big bow in the background, and then put your wired ribbon on top, and it'll make it really full and pretty. Here is another one of these ribbons. This looks like a good Easter color. Got a little different colors in there. It's pretty. Here's a white sheer, and it looks like it has an iridescent trim. So just like that blue one. And a pink. I have some more red, but this is even smaller. So I got 3 different sizes of the red. It's really cool. Oh, look at that. Royal blue. Look how vivid that is. Isn't that pretty? And you could use this on a mum too. You can make bows out of this too. You could, I think you could even make streamers. Like put some in the skirt for some more added sparkle. Because it's not like, it doesn't feel like regular deco mesh that catches on stuff. It feels a little bit different. Here's another one that's iridescent. And a baby blue, I think. It's dirty. Oh, there's the, for one of them. This one? I guess that one. I hate when those things pop off. Oh, well, I can't get it back on. Here's another silver. I think this one is bigger than those. Yeah, so I got a bigger one in this silver. And is that silver too? I think that's silver too. But it's different than that. It's different than this one. It's just like the pinks that are over here. So I've never seen some of these ribbons before, like the brands. Okay, so there's a gold, a gold, a silver, a gold, and 2 iridescents. And I think this is like a polypropylene. Sorry, my allergies are bad. These are just a little bit dusty, which is fine. Not a big deal. I'm appreciative of this. It's just that my allergies are really bad right now, so it's not helping. Yeah, I don't see it on here what it's, but that's what it looks like to me because it looks shiny. Four of these, I don't know what. This is 85% nylon, and I think that's supposed to be polypropylene. So it looks like it's iridescent with a black trim, maybe. Okay, that one came unraveled. And here's another one, the white with gold trim, and then an iridescent. That's really pretty, isn't it? Iridescents are great because you can use them with anything, any colors. And it would be good for senior moms too, you know, if you're trying to find some white ribbons, iridescents are great too. And then these royal blue, and I don't know. It looks like that mylar ribbon. Royal blue. A lot of those mylar ribbons won't match up perfectly with your acetates and stuff. The same with other types of ribbons. A lot of them just don't match up completely, and you just gotta use what you can get. But that's pretty. All right, Veronica, thank you so much for these. That was so nice of you to send me those. I appreciate it so much. I hope you all enjoyed this haul, this happy mail that I received. So again, thank you, and I'll find a place to put this stuff and hopefully get some used during homecoming, and she can see that. So I think that's the best thanks for getting something from someone, is if they see you use it. So thanks again. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for watching. Happy mom making, happy crafting, and y'all have a wonderful day. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Bye.